Kimpaluta Bonyu be or say a koye mama. But Sajum Krona no lawyer Maurice Ampaw Abaya remix Ediama Yaa Titi. I would say enkoye mama, where dear enkoye mama, mekaye jale oba, where dear enkoye mama. Lemos Ampaw Echimua, enkoye Yaa Titi Ojanwi, enkoye. Ebudasma. Lemos Ampaw Ekano. I'm for just there be lawyer pa na wo kasa say pa de enye lawyer pa na wo kasa say pa kire oyonko oba de enye asembe na ekoso aha Penyah block media mesra say ni de mo obe like video na my voice subscribe button so click the page na kono latest update na ba kire wadwe da ba e wo comment section mesra so ba so obe share video ma afro so enye bi ahwe etiga na enye nim de ekoso ye vice president Jane Naana or yare say wa mo na ejiro yare I just say I think say eno akwa no. There was another press statement that Echirimu said, Jane Naana or 3 weeks leave. I just said 3 week healthcare leave. I'll bet if you are Jana home for now, and Sankrana, or Belgian Hose or Belgium. And that's a but as to what as well be through Ghana so mind there. In the press statement, Oma Maya, but I don't kind of say, or 3 weeks healthcare leave. I saw DJ at home. Now, Nayarians and Seminole. Obeka last week, me bro, a lawyer Maurice Ampaw. Obisa NDC say, I didn't know so be home back can NDC what to be a central region for. Omuna de be obi ho kan wo ho because at time is owo emisata ewuye ni omunya central region people. Emma for example ebuja question. This question be busa ye no. Yaa Titi on my CTVGH. Ebeke kan na adwen kire Maurice Ampaw to ayam pia we be the kire no.
And I was asking myself say, and then that politics am go fe ba dwene nya adwuma sa. And then Yama won't cry my politics and DD and Tinima to the stand and say, ye Tina see your conscience, I fed you may be him. And then a politics, I'm a cophobia, then cross it for Ghana Hassa. Over the weekend, I say, Her Excellency, the Vice President, and the whole fano. And see, you don't call you GMC. I don't could afford to for say your fan and Quamana near Quapayarsa. Cha, if you see a Brabana, ya bono. So when you knew ya and struck with you. So when you know ya yensira kwatia adopewa ho enipa bi wa wa sanka me bom di direct na be ka cha mu se mu jimi no mu jimi dodo mu nyai mu panyin toto am ti krom ha sorry say now no to start on this note but I have to because ya too much abro so dodo politics amama ya nkurasefo mu mama dwene nya adwuma na Penyah toto timia so camera sinanim now you call yourself a lawyer ejina TV so I catch them we are singing now I and a central region for there NDC for when so do high level no man can say cross alpha kwemi so no ma you ma free ho and a central region for shine your eye lawyer Maurice Ampaw please reason a bit when you giant some who no well, these are the caliber of people who want your system no more. Omo kan kwasi asem sa. Omo nya obi mane catch us omo jimi to omo nyai. You call yourself a lawyer, you sit on national TV and you are talking nonsense. Huh? Oh, any people who want can no kwasi enya time mo but and some fool bi so who omo ka wasi reply om. The late President Mills, the same thing na musa MPP forward. Mutu manu see papa isu bona wuto. Ebaya no you see the nonsense you people were saying. Talking all rubbish. I know be na cool President Mills. I know be na yes no be say. Why we Ghana hire so some phone so ama nanya baby afifiri na asuma ba.
In fact, odidi that time one kasa. That I say because of politics Nipa ni be age me. It can't say me be na no. And a chair no. Now, I don't know Maurice Ampaw already know see there. Now, no NDC has legalized insults because the NDC Nibia ever attack or the insults and ever ain't any ye na ye be ye hu fi what ni dibre as lawyer not to nchen. Na said no so be ke kana dwomfa atre Yaa Titi de busia ano de ne.
So my attack lawyer Maurice Ampaw. Na bushe oba ojina ho. Na about we I don't know say I can't describe it or your buying tell me yes say I don't want to deal with Emma because I respect women so much but this particular girl dear hey into ọba wei yɛwo no paa mami papa te ase a ɔma wo nneɛma wo better ase ọba a wohwɛ Yaa Titi wohwɛ ọba a ọba fun na ɔka sɛmfo ọba a wotwa mu tugyimii ọba a ne to abam shapeless girl a only nyansa na information magada on no say one ojinso problem ti be ma na ware na no meja no ojinso problem as we speak right now only say odidi matem no the studio mo na the students bi ho and onua TV so no so mi students ho no ma information say papa get we ojinso now show ba we pan na ne ho in fact before God a man say me ban no a get we pa me oba maybe bass oba no dia me ngini sika boss oba fun pa oba so show ba ogina ho na shapeless so say what I say wo hwe ne yefunu wo hwe na funu wo hwe oba oti ho na Jesus intina sinia bom information me wo get wo na metie for no say oyo ban into no ese me restrain him ho such a character useless girl a ombo brother na the family so no was say bodam board family mu sa Yaa Titi no me na security for that information o na have information about you Yaa Titi we fear abodam for wo into wo for the girl no or bodam to the sense say okasa on to break na ofa nyansa so kasa at least what could this kakra kasanyansa but we say kwasa bro of bono region yantete no na wo boda mafem and now him cat is part you should no who's a girl or your problem no and ya pam no who ko ware oba we hu amane oba to be odidi mematem wey your boy say obi ware no girl Yaa Titi shapeless girl fear ubeko wari wo ni fear we hu amane apart from bodame wo fear no ojinso so ka ho ojinso problem we say ko bi wo mo jinso di ni e wo sa problem no wo so tu kwan say na okwa na be be ko de bia no na te say wa say ho ni hu nya me ya say me didi obatem na wo hwe nipa mu tugyimii we to meet na ho na or to be man lawyer Maurice Ampaw now to be ma keteche free fa now to be brother wo hwe memma enyonyamfo now ba we wo hwe na nhwe shapeless wo hwe na nhwe we ayame ba mapono ana me ne say me ko dia wade pa we minje hwe be ma no me de how na ama no the girl is so empty omuhwe it was obela no down body into the atem rough o di ase na etiefo move me followers girl we more address the kakra mame me be say Yaa Titi no me be say mo mame hu Nipa konye because in reality no this girl does not deserve to be on television and radio because only what it takes to communicate the education level is low. If you so on Kenya's assem, and the body no soon ko ye, and if you so no, or Jane also come, just already a real, oh yeah, I fear, and Yaa Titi, grandpa dear, media, oh the was a mamma swa, send me soldier go so no, oh share gasa omotihono, ah money Captain Smarty to hono, oh share if what go, or benyo nyam for, oh share the sheep. Ushe Tago, Ushe Bueno, Ushe Captain Smart, they are all decent people. Naturally, tugyimii oba why is shapeless? Na only obuo. It is about matter just because no confuse. What is big to crack and this is for man no confuse. Say oh man maybe did attempt, but this is a warning to her because me platform no. Me I own this place 2 hours. Me be here audition, Yaa Titi audition. me be pen ma omano ya ma musika abaha na Yaa Titi you be address you seriously because this girl is non-entity and I don't want to spoil my point but for also empa there me don't tell because onyame Nipa but wait there on set emfata say and say wo Nipa television so na obi na no kraka efon na CTV ni phone cancer no management no mo ade baller say na ya tam no ade a onua efe mato na che no na makofa enti no ohwe oja onia no shapeless ne to so abam ne nan ne nkoyie nipa mu tugyimii oh Jesus Christ na mi hu ye mobo na sa my way oba way ai sabe we be makra na what the guy we ba wa hwa be makra sorry oh they said they ma call wrong because we said that this girl have some year no wetuma so odem me say me pa we na me arade nyame fa me mbɔ ne nkyɛm na guy we dey nko yi kura baby nyame so boni pa na wabɔ boni pe bio oh they say you know only important to my show is too big but I have to address it because Jimmy do you know the way I county smarts no a man the platform now crashing your feet Bono region now ombo brother now unim producer me say girl no bono nakasa na kai you never make nakasa na kai nakasa so me person me who baby Yaa Titi kasa no o dey say now show the shapeless we are going to suffer the consequences of voting for a government all bad power on your prepared but rather the propaganda and intro any rerun any asofo mubi in come share fi nyame and na ye hu sunsuaso na ye hu say nyama entuto yie 4 months but agrobe so efi we can see so when we speak and they want to come at us there will be why we will make sure say we might them to you see when they were in opposition they were doing worse yeah but look at what Kevin Taylor because I'm Ghana for no to be amuye nyatwom Ghana for no to be amuye nyatwom mo ye say and this for them to be atem take kwasasam but you feel uncomfortable when we are responding to them we are natural because you see at times no me who say Ghana no mama ama who say we need to legalize insults because at the media a part of our politics umpa wonsema yebedi watam upa wonsema yebedi watam ene peni emu akwala na kwala mu peni ene obia ade asofo edidi atam ozu me pani kwala yi anya omo mu nyame hu nkra ko mu no na Yaa Titi kwese me de channel because osofo kwa ne boys kwa to didi atam ene asofo didi atam kum chacha mu didi atam ene politicians didi atam o ti ase o ene na didi atam etino atem bi na mu de wini power mu say identity sunu ye dey bring them down that's the thing because until say Ghana we stop the impunity oh they say because mama musu for by say atimidie Kevin Taylor Captain Smart omane boama and a lot of people almost caught into the gutter demonize nanado criminalize no bonasenuemu creating pressure as if MPP eya monsan for her producer me first video ba ko bia omo ka say nyame kum nanado man oba to oba mame nyame kum nanado man eno sa no mo kan omo say nyame kum nanado man na nanado esa man no nyame kum nanado man na nanado sell man no these are the things that NDC did to win power.
Kum na na do maye,
Nana do Mayen is I say Marino and many assaults on MPP and their leaders. And Ghana force of war, civil society were watching. And this kind of lifestyle, a winning power. Now, yediye mubiana mubekasa. Now, Ghana become a country where verifying stupidity and insults, and that's so people like Yaa Titi, any way, we will not give them platform because they don't have anything to offer. Critical thinking, when MPP is engaging in critical thinking, Ghanaians, you take it for granted and you voted for these people. Yet yaka mana babomu nsam na people no mantie afu asante fo mantie mutie atemidie ni propaganda and na mudi bufu akoto aba na ya no must take power because yaka na sam no mu say nyanda no enyamo Ghana no ukanya the sam a yemfa it doesn't trend into ama we mo any opportunity and that's like if it is a country be a kind of power I can station be why you not listen because it has nothing to offer. I can talk 2 hours and teach you law, teach you things. But so be the atema then more on the viewers. Now no more the hypocrisy of the other Ghanaian. Enter in your brain. Share on Maya. Yan fedi deni obuo e man penifo. On Maya yan kanokware. On Maya yan nachum. On Maya yan hwe nim no ye be bre.
Lawyer la pay the whole child. Lawyer no child that pass that. What I say? If this is lawyer, how much more me? This is lawyer. Lawyer Maurice Ampaw. Ghana bar. Or belonging to the Ghana bar. Someone who belongs to the Ghana bar who knows the law. And they child that pass that. Or see in so tap on right now or je wo. Either feel the more dematema feel as you be corner uro. You be corner uro. I would say it's our time corner. We have to legalize insult because NDC has already legalized insult in their party and they resort to that to justify their opinion. Lawyer Maurice Ampaw country Yaa Titi. What is your view and what is your take on that? Comment section. I have Penyah Blog Media.